William Byron is off the pace. Byron up in turn 1. The number 6 machine, the black 6. Byron now in turn 2. Eric Almirola will go around. Byron is off the pace.
Just outside the top 10. He was up as high as 4th at one point for the NASCAR Cup Series star who's going into the playoffs. Want to do some more short tracking, as he told us at the top of the show, before the playoffs hit. And boy, what a tough break for him. A lap after another contender, Casey Johnson, goes to the pits, comes William Byron.
John DeAngelis Jr., he has yet to pit.
Byron's popping out. He's done. First time Wisconsin International Raceway, talking through things with his team. Justin Ortel down there. Tough break for the NASCAR star.